Today I want to show you how to install R from CRAN. We're going to download the source package from CRAN website. There are binary packages you could choose by clicking on this link, and I want to show you how to do this from source. And doing this has some advantages. You can customize your R packages. You can copy link address and go to your Google Cloud window, and you're gonna type the command is apt-get. You have seen this command before for downloading files from internet, and you paste the link. It is pretty quick. So and we want to uncompress this package by using the command tar. X means extract, v f, and r 3 point. Now you enter the folder that just you decompressed. Here the version R is R 3.4.3. You enter that folder, and within this folder you will see an executable file shown in green called configure. You type /configure, and if you are unsure about the options, you can type help, and this will show you all kinds of options you could use. In this case, I'm going to install R within my own folder. You can read all kinds of options from this output, and for me, I want to organize my programs a little bit differently. So I'm gonna move R 3.4 to the downloads folder, and I'm going to also create a folder called programs. And you don't really have to do this. It is just I like to have my things organized. And I'm going to my folder and type configure and type -- or -- prefix equals. I'm gonna under the home dir and under your username. And remember, we just created a folder called programs. I'm gonna call it R 3.4.3, and that's about it. You type enter, and this will check whether you can compile this source package. And here you receive the arrow. So I want you to do is, so we now need to install the dependencies for R. First, we want to install dependency packages, and this means we need to install the headers so that R can use to compile. Once these packages are installed, and we're gonna try configure. And here is another arrow, and it says that this library you need to install in Ubuntu. So to do that, just like apt-get install to find the package called this. We're gonna do apt cache search. And if you especially we're looking for lib curl 3 dash dev. Ideally they have another way to, instead of doing this, I can just easily do grep dev, and if you look at this, and this is probably the package that we need, and there are different versions, so let's give a try with the OpenSSL because we might need this later on. So we're gonna copy the name of this package, now let's try configure again. And there are some warnings telling you cannot build HTML, you cannot build a PDF. For now it's fine because we don't really want to build HR menus and in the PDF versions. So everything looks fine, and then you're gonna type make. What this does is to compile the source packages that you just downloaded from CRAN. This will take quite a while. Because during the installation, there are complaints that we cannot find Java, so now we need to install Java. To install Java, first we're going to do is, because Java is a proprietary software, so we want to add this the list of packages from this Oracle, Java 9, and here is the website information, and we're gonna accept. And now the new list of software from Oracle will be added to your Ubuntu when you run apt-get. But before that, we want to update the list, so we're gonna run sudo apt-get update. This will fetch the list of softwares from this new repository that you just added. Sudo apt-get update. Once you fetch the list of packages from Oracle, now you need to find Java. So to do that, we're gonna apt-cache search Java. There's just too many Java, and I think what we want is install Oracle Java 9 apt-get install, and we probably want to set Oracle Java as default. And you're gonna say accept Oracle licenses as always, because this is a proprietary software. Now it is actually downloading the Java installer from Oracle, and it will take some time. Once the Java is installed, you can try make again. Once you install Java from Oracle, now you need to configure your R source package again by using the same command you used before, configure. And don't forget, you need to specify prefix equals the directory that I just created. This will be the directory that R will be ultimately installed to. And so I like this directory. I'm going to type configure, and the configure is done, and I'm going to type make, and this tells you that you're using the Java from Oracle, because right here it says Java-9-Oracle. So you can type make install, and now everything is done. To test your new R installed in the directory that we just specified under programs, you can specify other directories as well. It's just my personal preference. If you go to this directory, it will have 3 folders. The first folder called bin, bin, is the folder for R binary, so you're gonna enter that binary folder, and there are 2 files. The first file is called R, and if you check the version number here, this is R version 3.4.3, and you can create this version, this R, and if you just type R without ./, this will usually call the default R installed on the system. If you check the version number, this will be version 3.2.3, and that's it. You have R installed. So whenever you need to use R 3.4.3, you need to either go to this directory, or you type the full file path using just like you see right here, /programs, and then R 3.4.3 bin R, and this will ensure you are running the most recent version that you just installed, 3.4, instead of the system default.